Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some GTR side skirts, and then we're also going to be reinstalling my lip over there. Last time I installed it, it had some panel gaps. I was about to fix it, but guess what? My stupid luck, I broke it on the highway. So there goes another $350. I got Efrain over here, my friend. He works for a body shop. He owns his body shop. He's going to help me install it so I can go to tomorrow's show. So while Efrain is cleaning the bumper, because dirt, residue, and like the sticky stuff from the previous lip, this is the other lip. Thank you to Brian from Motor and Motorworks. That's the other CSL carbon fiber lip. Alright, so Efrain over here is mocking up the lip. He's taping it up. We're going to use the tape, and this time hopefully we mount it properly, and then we're going to use the drill and self-tapping screws to put it up properly. Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm going to be unboxing the DTM Fiberworks GTR side skirts. They're going to go on the side, so more aero, and it looks dope in my opinion. Alright, so we did mount the lip on. Efrain is screwing it on right now. I'm sorry if you're overexposed as the sun's too bright. But anyways, I did unbox the GTR side skirts, the E46 M3 GTR side skirts. They're from DTM Fiberworks. I had them for a while now. These are pretty clean, like really clean as the underside. Let me see, I'm confused. I've never installed a side skirt, so I'm kind of confused on like which side goes underneath the car. Is it this bumpy side or is it this side right here? I'm not sure. So make sure before you guys are doing it, you guys wipe it down with rubbing alcohol, or I'm using acetone. Make sure you wipe the underside of the car. If not, you're gonna have dirt and grime. So we did put the side skirt on the driver's side right now. Everything looks good, but right now he's gonna be drilling it in there. Ah, that sound kind of hurts. How's it looking? You guys like it? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, we just put this on. It looks super rad. I mean, I'm in love with it. It changed the way the car looks. It makes it look way more aggressive. Hey, friend, you like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
It's good.
Efrain is a bit camera shy, but this guy does an amazing job. I'm really thankful to him. Huge shout out to him because he drove all the way like from his shop. He has a business. He came over here just to help me out so I can make it to the show tomorrow. But yeah, and let me know what you guys think about the side skirt. Does it make it look better or not? Alright guys, the lip's back on. Side skirt's on. This car looks immaculate right now. It looks so dope. Alright guys, so the side skirts and the lips are back on. It looks so dope. And then if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Like this video if you liked it. And for people who have subscribed, please comment down below that you subscribed, and I'll personally comment back to you. And I'm gonna get back to you guys when I go for a photo shoot in the evening. Not photo shoot, I'll get some pictures and then get some B-rolls for you guys, and we'll see how it looks. Hey guys, so it's kind of late, almost around 9 p.m. It's like twilight, and I'm here right now. I'm gonna be taking some shots, doing some B-rolls. See the GTR side skirts and the lip. I mean, it does kind of look super clean to me right now. Look at this. Car looks super aggressive from the front. And then let me show you guys the side end. I mean, I don't know how good it translates to video, but it looks lower and looks way more aggressive. So I don't know how well it translates to video, but it does look super aggressive if you guys can see right over there. But the only reason it kind of not looks that low, because look at my fender gap right here. That's like literally 3 fingers right here. This is way too raised, and I don't have true coilover setups in the rear, so I'm gonna get some lowering springs, some Swift springs, and lower the rear end down so it's evened out with my ride height. And right now I'm gonna be dropping some pictures I took. I mean, I don't know how the picture's gonna come up. I'm doing my best. I'm still trying to figure out shit with my camera. I'm not the best photographer, but I'm trying. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be ending the video over here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys think about the GTR side skirts. I think they look dope. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you got comment down below what you guys thought of the video, and subscribe down below. And if you guys subscribe, comment down below that you guys subscribe, so I'm gonna personally reply back to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.